Good afternoon, children. How are you? All are fine? Very good. Now take your English book. Okay, children? Now take page number 22. Last session, we already finished this topic. Okay, children? Now our new topic is SL and ST sounds. Okay? Listen, read the words that begin or end with the consonant blends. Blends means mixing. Already சொன்னேன் இல்லைங்களா? Blends means mixing. Now, SL and ST words. Okay, children? Let's discuss about SL and ST sounds. Okay, children? Now, let's start. Okay? Okay. First, SL sound. Okay, children? So, SL sound is, listen, isl, isl. Okay? SL sound. SL sound means it looks like isla, sla. Okay? Isla. So look at the first column. Slate. Slate. Okay? And then slide. 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 And then look at the second column. Sleep. Sleep. The sound is sleep. SL sound is isla. Isla. Okay? Next, slow. Slow. And look at the third column. Slice. Slice. Okay, children? So our sound is isla. Repeat with me. Isla. Isla. Okay? So repeat these words once again. Slate. Slide. Sleep. Slow. Slice. Okay, children? Do you understand? SL sound is isla. Isla. Okay? Slate. Slate. Slide. Sleep. Sleep. Slow. Slow. Slice. Slice. Okay, children? So practice this sentence. Slate to slice. Okay? And then now ST. ST sound is ist. Ist. Look at the first column. Star. Star. Next one. Stone. Stone. Okay? So ST sound பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ist. ist. ST ப்ரொனவுன்ஸ் பண்ணும்போது நம்மளுடைய ஃபோனிக்ஸ் சவுண்ட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ist. ஓகே? ist. ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் காலமில் பாருங்கள் ஸ்டார். ஸ்டார். ஸோ அந்த எஸ்டியோடைய சவுண்ட் கவனிங்க. ist. ஓகே? ஸ்டார். Stone. Stone. Okay? Look at the second column. Study. 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 And then ending word. Post. Post. Ending blunt பாருங்க. ist. Post. ist. post. Okay, and then final column, fist. Fist, ending blend sound, ist. Fist. Okay, next one, pist. Pist, ending sound, st sound, ist. Okay, pist. Okay children, now once again repeat with me. Star. Star. Stone. Stone. Study. Study. Post. Post. Fist. Pest. Okay children, practice these words too, and then thank you.